Exercise number 10. Start. Honorable members are aware last year I had introduced the dual policy in regard to kerosene after discussing with all the civil supplies commissioners of the states. Full stop. And when I was assured that they would be able to implement the dual policy, I thought that the policy is such which could be taken care of, in which case the poor sections of the society could be protected. Full stop. But unfortunately, I found that the poorer sections were the first victims, as a result of which, within 1 month of the introduction of the dual policy, that scheme had to be withdrawn. Full stop. In fact, I myself stood in Bangalore in the queue and I found that the poorer people were not being given. Full stop. And the dealer said that the quota that was earmarked in the levy system has already been exhausted, and it was very difficult to find out which quota was what. Full stop. Because of the distribution system not being strong, this step had to be taken. Full stop. Next paragraph. Many honorable member has been making a complaint from time to time that there had been adulteration of kerosene with HSD because of the fact that there is a disparity in prices. Full stop. It is true, I concede that I am aware that about 19 to 20% of kerosene goes in the adulteration with HSD. Full stop. I have been requesting the state government to take care of it. Full stop. Notwithstanding the fact that every quarter we go on increasing the allocation of kerosene to the states, much of the kerosene is going towards adulteration. Full stop. And I have been trying to impress upon the states that we have to import kerosene and that quite a large number of foreign exchange is spent. Full stop. While in the case of petrol, we are absolutely self-sufficient. In the case of kerosene, we have got to import, and this I have been trying to impress that we cannot employ the price mechanism that often advocated, so that the adulteration of kerosene with HSD does not take place, because that would create more problems. Full stop. Next paragraph. The moment we increase the price of kerosene, it affects the ordinary man. Full stop. Maybe some people had been trying to tell me that this is no argument at all. Full stop. In fact, I found in the other house that some of the opposition members had been trying to put across to me this view. Full stop. It is a question of policy which we are committed to. Full stop. Whether one likes it or not, a policy decision has certain perspectives, and these perspectives we have sought to put forth for our all round progress. Full stop. And